Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one. We're gonna bring you another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blogging truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Popcaan had strong words for the security forces after his arrest and the leak of that subsequent arrest to the media. Now, Popcaan said them a try to set him up just like they did with Tommy Lee Spart. And by all indications from the security forces, he might be correct, because they stated that they were acting on information presented to them. Somebody call it in. We have to continue reason, viewers and subscribers. Look on store go on.
Yeah. Release the tension and release the pressure. Important scheme. But you know.
Yes, now let's continue the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Now, after the story broke, Popcaan took to the same social media. He took to his Twitter account after it emerged that he had been arrested and slapped with a number of traffic charges. Now, Popcaan stated in the tweet, "Swear when I go up on a big ups, pointing out to the public that the knowledge of his arrest and the fact that he was charged with a couple traffic violations was not something that needed to be making the news. Truth be told, as an entertainer, everything we do gonna make the news. The fact that this situation occurred with him and officers, no media around, but yet still a statement was still given to the media. Popcaan say, him feel like I'm career, them a try to tarnish. Him feel like I'm reputation and the industry, them a try to mash up. And there are stark similarities between Tommy Lee Spart situation and what occurred with Popcaan on Sunday. Acting on information, they stopped Popcaan, search him, charge him with a couple traffic violations. And the same situation happened to Tommy Lee Spart. Them stop him, run some search, and a weapon was located. In this scenario though, the weapon that was located was not on Popcaan, and it was only a pocket knife. Now after taking to Twitter, Popcaan visited his Instagram account. Now he said, "Give man a few traffic ticket and I try use it make news. Hope gonna get promotion," saying that maybe the officers are using this to make it look like it was a high profile arrest. And truth be told, Popcaan has been on the radar for quite some time. There was a different situation which officers were called to search Popcaan and his convoy again, and that time something did turn up, but that situation was handled and it was not on Popcaan's person, meaning say him never have it on him. Now he will have to appear before the Yallas Traffic Court on June 3rd of this year to answer to multiple breaches of Road Traffic Act after allegedly unruly behavior during a routine traffic stop conducted by the St. Thomas Police. Now, Popcaan has gone as far to say he feels like he's not going to host his annual Unruly Fest fundraiser concert, as he said he feels like he was unfairly targeted by the St. Thomas cops. And he said, "Not even feel like me I keep Unruly Fest at St. Thomas again. Why am I being targeted by St. Thomas Police? In every move I make, me really tired of uno. And me I go just breeze St. Thomas for my own good. Hope my people will see things from..." And he said he hope the people will see it from his point of view. And peace and love to all of his supporters. This is just the day and age that we are in, and this should set a certain precedence and be used as an example by other artists. Even in a parish like St. Thomas, the Popcaan do a whole heap of things. He might give back He must start a whole heap of businesses. Remember the unruly river, you know what I mean? Which them said are bringing whole heap of tourists before the whole restrictions start for being imposed on the island and the people residing on the island. He gonna do the thing with Marcus Garvey Youth, you know what I mean? Right there in the parish. Him keep him fundraiser right there in the parish. He was born and raised right there in the parish. And you see what I want? He says he's been targeted by JCF members based right there in the parish. Artists have to know these things, and not everybody supportive of the move. Some people still say entertainers as ghetto youths with whole heap of money, and enough of them not like ghetto youths, whether you have whole heap of money or you not have no money at all. But feel like the truth, Popcaan say. Them who oppose for pull him over, see it say man a whole heap of people are travel. And hopefully them could have find a weapon. Them never that hope for a pocket knife. Them that hope for a firearm. Then as we see, even though it was just traffic violations and the individual who was found with the pocket knife was given station bail, you know what I mean? That was added to the report as well. But they make it major news. Send it out to the tabloids. And it was just traffic violations. Imagine what would have happened if it was a firearm. Even if it was not on Popcaan. They would have stated as if a Popcaan have it. Because that is what they wanted, the viewers and subscribers. And these are not just my statements. I know me I say so. This is what Popcaan is stating. Him saying the first time him feel like the St. Thomas arm of the JCF go out of them way for target him. Whether in that event, just step on the road I pass through, or other situations. Him say him feel like I know the first is something, and him I wonder why. Him say him not see no reason for them to put this target on him back. Well, the greatest thing, viewers and subscribers, the first part of the challenge is being aware, and now Popcaan knows that there is a target on him, whether just in a St. Thomas or right across the island, whether just a Popcaan or for any entertainer overall. Smart decisions going forward is clearly recommended for them. This could have gone a different way. As simple as you see it, this could have gone entirely different. Them got it pull over Popcaan, routine stop, routine search, and find weapons, find firearms. That would be an entirely different case. It's like how them wait to make the story reach the media hours after. I would have the same speed TV jail there at St. Thomas. May I tell you, them would have called them immediately. And who knows what they would have make the ballistics say this time? Who knows who they not try to connect the ballistics report with, or which crimes they would have try connected to. The good news, however, is that these are just traffic violations. You don't forget a whole heap of them to face jail time. You know what I mean? Driving without a, or skating without a license. Don't know what charge is that. It's gonna be a fine. I can't tell you the specific amount. Only people have been charged with similar charges. Could I say, yeah man, that time I'll get tired. Whatever the case may be. The fact says an entertainer, maybe them would have want to the full force of the law at him. But they know say if money is the case, then you know, he might get paid. Some people are just a thing and they want to tear up a Popcaan. You know there's something go. But that was not the case. And with the amount of people there, you know, and what would they have expected? We know when Popcaan move around, he move around an entourage, or with an entourage. So, you know, only upon certain special occasion you see Popcaan alone on the streets, you know. Otherwise, for the better part, you see him, you see at least, you know, a few of him entourage members. So from them here say Popcaan upon the road and plan to make a start, they already know. So I never even wanna go there. So if I did some dollars them want, then them, you know, there were better ways to go about it. So as a Popcaan, I say, this does not seem to be the case. It looked like something else was at play. Him said to him see it, and the fact that them publicize, them go to lengths to put this out to the media, knowing say that then circulate social media off his arrest. Why them do that? Him say him career them a try for tarnish and him reputation in the streets. Seeing that Popcaan have lucrative music contracts and endorsement deals in the works. So we don't know, but that them a try for slow up. But him say at this point in time, him feel like he's being targeted in the parish, and him don't even feel like him gonna keep him concert or his fundraiser in the parish anymore. That'd be a sad situation for the fans, for the residents who have benefited from his fundraiser. You know what I mean? So that's a sad case. I feel that the situation needs to be remedied. Member of Parliament needs to forward out and address the situation. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them now if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Yeah, man, now move settings. Well, first and foremost, drop a like and bust a share. The like icon is located in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. Comment section up 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue reasoning via the comment section. You know, move settings, fam. And no, we don't need no less than my sentiments for you and yours. If we live, love, and prosper until we reason again.